Okay, so I'm going to revisit Feren OS. It's been a while and I think it's had an update since I last did a video. So if you've not seen the last video, you can watch that here, just to familiarise yourself with the Feren OS if you've not ever seen it before. And let's just jump straight in. So first off, I'm going to jump into the theme and we'll get it looking how we want to look, and then we'll have a poke around. Okay. Oh, let's have a look at the Chrome OS one. Taking a while to switch there. Okay, what's happened here? Right, I've just typed in a command in the terminal to hopefully reboot it. Just using the Control-Alt-T keyboard shortcut for terminal. Okay, we're back, and it's applied the Chrome OS theme. On my Chromebook I have the panel on the left. Let's just see if we can pop it on the left. I'm not too sure what to do with that one. I guess because of the themes it gives you, it's probably static and you can't move it. Could be wrong though. So this is the Chrome OS theme anyway. What we're going to do quickly is just change the background. I'm not a fan of the default wallpaper there. Not bad. It's like a lever. I quite like that. No, I'm not too keen on that. We'll leave it like that for now. So I'm just going to jump back into the themes and just have a look at the other ones it comes with. Let's just have a look at the Ubuntu layout. Are we going to have to reset it again? Yeah, okay, that's annoying. That's annoying. So I'm going to try and open up terminal again, type in reboot, and it didn't work that time. Alright, now what's happened? Right, I'm going to reboot it again. Can't even get the terminal up now. Okay, what I'm going to have to do is reset it through there. I was about to say this is the first time it's worked nicely on one of my virtual machines, but I've just been proven wrong. Wow, that's bright. What's happened to the brightness? So this is the Ubuntu look with the panel on the left and the top bar. I'm not quite sure what's happened to the background though. Right, I'm going to switch it back to one more theme and then have a general look around. I'm going to try and keep this video short, but having to keep reset it's making it going to be a bit longer than it needs to be. So I just want to have a look at the Mac OS layout and also the Windows layout. So we'll have a look at this one quickly. Right, already I can see that the bar's at the top. So we're going to try and open. How strange. Alright, I have to do the same thing again. It might be worth giving it an update. Why does it do that to the wallpapers? Okay, we're back. Is there a dock at the bottom? No. I wonder where the dock comes from then. Okay, I'll tell you what, we're going to go back, check out the Windows ones, and then I'm going to leave that as it is. Let's look at the Windows 10 layout. Okay, didn't need to restart that time. It's got a Docker usage here, so I'm guessing the reason why the Mac didn't come with a dock is because that was unchecked, so we're just going to try that again. Any dock? No. Let's have a look at something. I think it was installed. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to update it. Oh, that's right, I've already updated. This is just the kernel update and the Mesa thing. We're going to leave that as that is. Okay, we're going to just go back to the default theme then. And I'll undo what we just did there, just in case. Okay, let's go for Feren Dark. Okay. Get rid of Docky. Right, so Vivaldi is your web browser. I don't know if it comes with an alternative. No, so just Vivaldi that I can see. So games comes with Steam pre-installed, no GIMP, full LibreOffice suite, Conky, that would be the like widget thingies for your desktop. Rhythmbox, VLC and Cheese. Usual stuff there. Okay, what we do is we'll have a look at their software center, see if anything's changed there. Right, we'll install GIMP now quickly. And we can make a very simple thumbnail. No. Let's try that again. I just don't think Feren plays nice with virtual machines at all, really. No, okay, we'll leave that as it is. I'll just do it on my host one. Right, so GIMP's installed. I don't really need it now though. Alright, let's open up HTOP, see what this is running. It's a 746 megabyte out of 3.86 gig. CPU's at sort of fairly low. Let's just open the file manager and have a quick look at that. I do like the look of Feren and what they're trying to do. It just doesn't feel complete to me. Okay, it's just a tabbed file browser. Yeah, 4-way snapping works. Mail app does it come with? Pantheon Mail. Take a snapshot. Let's try it one more time. No, it's just going to do the same thing. Okay. Almost wish I never revisited it now. I was hoping that this was going to be the one that was going to turn me around. I think they're just trying to appeal to too many people, and it makes for a clunky system altogether, really. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.